Okay, welcome. Let's have a look what we've got here today. Ons gaan gou kyk gou of die regtig 'n rooi kaart is wat Everton moet gekry het. Ooh, definite. Stats is up. Definite, definite. Stats is up. Definite. Red card. Red card. 100% red card. But let's see some other incidents. Something maybe similar or some other incident. Have a look at this. Well done. Wat maak Richarlison daar? Hy kan sien Virgil is off balance. Hy hallop in Virgil in. Virgil try om sy balance te vind. Hy gaan hallop liewerste in Virgil van Dijk. Nee, hy is swak. Richarlison swak bro, swak. Swak. Wat maak hy? Hy kan sien Virgil is off balance. Great tackle.
And Kelleher stood up to him.
Again, he stands his ground so well.
Wat gaan aan? Die players bly in Virgil van Dijk en vashou.
And then that's the ball. Yeah.
So off the ball there.
Wat gebeur daar so? Die man sukkel om weg te kom, hè? Hy hou die man vas. Ek bly nie vir Virgil daar nie. Fair tackle. Nou die is proper leadership van Virgil van Dijk. Hy sien die player, het die hamstring gepull. Dit sê vir die player, sy kan nie, wil op die veld is hy. Sit down, the stretch is on the way. Well done, Virgil.
I'm not sure what that's top class. Onana.
Well done, Virgil. Nou wat maak hy nou hier? Hy sien Virgil, cover die bal. Hy gaan sit liewer sy voet onder Virgil se voet in. Hy's mos dom. Sy eie skil. Proper tackle, Virgil. Proper
Try and
tackle.
counter-attack with pace. Across comes Virgil.
What a beautiful tackle. That is what you call a beautiful tackle. Not like this tackle. Not like this tackle. Kyk hier. Hy is soos 'n proper one inzette person. Hy wil die man inzet. Of course, lot. Move your quality, kyk daar. Nou die is 'n proper tackle. Houd op die tackle van Virgil. Proper tackle.
Dijk comes in. Van Dijk wins the ball.
It's a brilliant.
Brilliant! Hy kry sy die bal. Brilliant. Virgil, brilliant. Now that is what you call brilliance from Virgil van Dijk. Now, well done. One of the best centre backs in the Premier League ever. Let me know if so if I should do more of these.